Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace a double glazed unit that's failed. So this particular one here in this room, it does mist up at certain points, so along here and stuff. So I'm going to try and replace this. So you need some basic tools for this. I've had a look on Amazon, and what I found is the key ones are this thing here and this hammer here. So I'll put a link in the description so you know which ones to get. So the first thing to do is measure up what you have at the moment. Just to show, you can see the watermarks on the inside of the panel there. So take this tool first of all, and this gives an ability to prise out the beading on the windows. So most double glazed windows have the beading on the inside. So if you come in close here, you can see a very subtle gap. If I take it and just push into it, and there you go. So what I'll do it on the other side. Might be difficult to get the camera angle on this one, just because it will make it easier to prise it out. So if I push it in, there you go. Just keep working my way along. There you go. Now I can just pull it out. And the thing about these beadings are, you've got to make sure you keep them in the right location you took them out from. So I'll put it at the side, maintaining the side I took it out from. Move on to the bottom one. So I'm going to leave the top one in place for last, so the window doesn't just suddenly fall out. Bottom one here. Okay, that's it. And now finally the top one. And this way you've got to be careful. Once you take this out, the window's loose. There you go. Now, one thing to note, there's spacers in here. So when you pull it out for the first time, the spacers will maybe fall out. So what I can do, if I open the top window, pop my hand in, push it, there you go. It's come loose. If I bring it in now, you should be able to pop it out, there you go. That's the panel. Now, just to show with this window itself, looks like they've only put one spacer in. There's nothing else around there. So what I'll do, I'll give it a quick wipe down and then we'll continue in a second. But before that, let me just quickly show how to measure it up. The window itself, there's a spacer in there that's generally 2 centimeters wide. And the key thing here, you need to measure the panels of glass in there. So if you could remove the tape, or if you come in close enough, you can get a tape measure and you can just about work out how many millimeters it is. I've already popped this one out and I've worked out this is 4 millimeters and this one's 4 millimeters, and the central part of the glass is 2 centimeters. So I've ordered one from a company online. I'll include links in the description. I think it's called Sealed Units. And with that one, this replacement cost me, I think about £50. So not too bad, just had to wait a bit longer for delivery. So I've got a cleaning wipe here. Give it a nice wipe down. Take some of the dirt off the edges and things. You see all the dirt that's jeweled over the years. Okay, and take tissue. Okay, so this is the panel I purchased and I received online. Took a few weeks. I think it took 3 to 4 weeks to get to me, only because I went for the free delivery option. That's the sizing I went for, and they do warn to give a few mil variation in the manufacturing of this. Now, I have done a quick dry fit of it, and when I put it in, it was a little bit lower. So just to show, got this extra bit of packing in there just to raise it up a bit more. Now, I was thinking, should I pack it in any further? But to be honest, it's quite tight as it is. The other window didn't have any additional packing around there, so I'm just going to go with this like this. So now all we need to do is secure the window in place. So if I do the top beading first, we slot that in, just push that in. So that was not too bad going in, and we'll take the first side beading, which is this one. You can see the clip that slots in. And this is where this hammer comes in. Yep. Bottom bit of bead. Actually, before I do that, let me just give this a wipe. Okay, get this in. And finally get the last bead in there. So what I did, I prized in the top bit, slid in the bottom bit. So it's just the rest of it just needs to be knocked in. There you go. See the opening. Perfect. Very simple to do. I know people are going to make comments about the packing, but I think it's been fine all these years. The existing unit lasted, I'd say, 14 years. So it's not too bad. And this is a south facing window. So I think that's probably contributed it to fading. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone wanting to do a similar thing. Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next one.